Hello and welcome to Crosdale's tips and tutorials in Business Central. Today we're going to add an action tile to our role center. Let's go to our project. Let's create a new file, a page. Let's call this sales queue. Page type card part. Hit finish. Get rid of source table. We don't need that for this. We're going to add a queue group. Let's call it sales action container. It has to all be one word. Action container. Actions. Action. Let's just call this action name. Application area all. Run object. This is what we want to load. So page. Let's say sales order list. By the way, to get that list up, you can press Control and space in Visual Studio Code and it will bring up the list of available objects. So sales order list, press enter. Image, let's go with tile green, doesn't really matter. Trigger on action, begin, end. That's if you want to trigger something. We don't want to do that, but so let's just leave it empty. One thing we need to do here is set a caption. So let's say caption equals view sales orders. Save that. Let's go to our role center. For the sake of this tutorial, let's just get rid of everything here. I'm going to create a new group. Let's call it group 1. A new part 1. Sales queue. Application area all. Let's press F5 to deploy. Let's go to our role center and you'll see this has changed. This now says view sales orders. We have the green tile that we picked, action name. Let's click that. And here we can see our sales orders. Thanks for watching.